Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, it would really mean a lot. So for this makeup look video, I'm doing a Radiant Glow tutorial. But other than that, if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching and let's get into the video. So to start off, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and of course I'm going to use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I always use this. Now I just finished with my eyebrows. Now I'm going to take the concealer that I use, and it's the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light, and I'm going to put it on my eyelid. And then, so this is like basically my base for my eyeshadow. It literally works perfect, like a primer, so. I am going to miss my eyelash extensions so much, like so much, but I just want to experiment with false lashes for a while, and then if I don't like it, then I could always go back to eyelash extensions. It's just, I'm just trying it out and seeing what I like better. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use my Morphe palette, and it's the 35O palette. So to start off, I'm going to use this color and this color, and I'm going to mix those two together, and I'm just going to put them all over my eyelid. And I'm going to take this bright little color right there with a little angled brush, and then like fluffy angled brush, I guess. Put that in my inner corner. So now I'm going to take my fluffy brush again, and I'm going to take this color right here, and then I'm going to put that on the outer, like to the mid of my eyelid, if that makes sense. Take this color right here, this brownish pretty color, and I'm going to put that on the outer corners of my eye. I'm going to take this really shimmery color, and I wish these colors had names, but they don't, so I'm just going to call it Fairy Dust because it looks so majestic and pretty. So I'm going to get a bunch of that, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. This color right here, and I'm going to dab it with my fluffy brush, and I'm just going to put that at the end of this eye corner. Now I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs Coconut Primer. This is my favorite primer, and now I'm just gonna rub that all over my face. So I'm gonna use my foundation. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty. I'm in the shade 240, and then I'm just gonna put this on my hand, and then now I'm gonna take my Tarte little foundation brush, and I'm gonna dab that, and now I'm gonna just rub that in. You guys, I finally got a foundation brush like this, and I've been needing one for so long, but I've like never really used one before, so I didn't know what the hype was really about, and I didn't know how much I really needed it until when was it? New Year's Eve, I'm pretty sure. I got ready with my friend and she had a big fluffy foundation brush like this, and I was like, oh my goodness, like, wow, like, can I use that? So I used it and I fell in love. I literally noticed such a huge difference in the way my foundation came out, and I fell in love. So I hopped on that real quick. So now I have one from Tarte and I absolutely love it. So I was going to get, I think I was gonna get a Morphe one, but then I went to the store to go buy it and they ran out, so I just got a Tarte one. And I honestly do not mind. I love Tarte so much. Do not regret it. So I am in love with this kind of brush. So Tarte, you're doing amazing. Sponsor me. Make sure you blend that into your neck. I think I didn't get the clip, but I applied a little tiny bit of the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Warm Beige. I only literally two little drops, not a lot, just so I had a little bit more extra coverage. Now I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light, and I'm gonna apply that underneath my eyes, right down here. I'm going to take my Bobbi Brown little bronzer, and I'm in the shade Medium 2, and I'm going to take my Real Techniques buffing brush, and I'm just going to get a lot of that and then put it on my cheekbone. Now I'm going to take the Tarte bronzer, and this is in the shade Park Ave Princess, which is so cute. And this is what it looks like. And then this is more of a really more lighter bronzy color, so I'm going to put that above the line that I just did. So now I'm going to take my Bobbi Brown bronzer again. I'm going to take this Real Techniques, what is this called? Square foundation brush, but I'm going to use this to help out my nose for contouring. So I'm gonna just get my bronzer and I'm just gonna dab lines on both sides. Now I'm just gonna get more translucent powder, and then I'm gonna get this flat brush and I'm gonna put this underneath. So now I'm gonna take this Real Techniques contour brush and I'm gonna wipe some more translucent powder underneath my eyes, so right here. Now I'm gonna take this brush again and I'm gonna wipe all this off. I'm gonna take this beauty blender, I'm gonna spray it with my rose water, and then I'm gonna take the Kylie Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Salted Caramel. I've been using this every single day. Look how worn down that is. And now I'm gonna take the Tarte highlighter in the color Goddess Glow, so favorite highlighter, and I sprayed more Mara Badescu spray on here. Now just dab that in. I almost forgot one more step, because because I haven't done this in so long. Okay, so I'm going to use mascara, and this is from Tarte, of course, shocker. And it's called the Man Eater Mascara. I'm going to apply that to my lashes. It off, I'm going to use the Too Faced Peach Mist, which is my setting spray. Just gonna and not move until it dries. Okay, and it's all dry, and now I'm done. I think this is the perfect radiant glow kind of look for any day. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what other videos you want to see on my channel, because I'll do them. I love hearing ideas because some of you guys have really good ideas. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next week in my next video. Bye!